I'm in TK Maxx and I'm looking at all of the new Halloween stuff. Oh my god, let's look at it. Let's see what we can get and see what we can bring back home. Alright guys, welcome to Spooktober. This is probably the most funnest time of the year for me because everything's orange, everything's fall, everything's beautiful, and I am obsessed with pumpkins. So let's get to this fun little decor haul video for you guys. I'm here to showcase to you guys some of my decor finds, some things that have just really stuck out to me from places. Obviously there's a little vlog showing TK Maxx. Obviously TK Maxx is my go-to place to get some stuff, but we are going to start off with Tiger. Now the Flying Tiger always has some things here and there that are just great for Halloween. Can't go wrong with a giant big cobweb, so I did pick up another one of these. Easy as. But the new thing that they have that I really liked were these vine kind of ivy lights, string lights. I have them on the back, so they're disguised in here. I will do a little close-up of them. But these string lights are great for a decorative piece if you want to do like a little haunted graveyard and you needed some like ivy going over it and stuff with the little lights in it. This will bring together your decor pieces even better. There's a big piece I will show you later that I will be putting this on. I actually might buy some more packs of these because they're quite good to have, and I feel like they might be easier to damage going ahead. What are some other decor pieces I've been buying? I have bought a XL spider from the Spooks and Spells from B&M for just £3. You got this giant spider in here. I'm thinking of going spidery this year, so we'll see what comes out of that. I'm trying to come up with some new themes, and I think this could be a good one. So who can say no to a giant spider at a great price? It folds out up to 75 centimeters, and that's quite big. So this juicy little guy has got a lot of legs to spread. So that being said, let's move on to our next piece that we have here. So this is a bath mat, and I really like a nice bath mat. This one says, "Hello Pumpkin." What a cute little bath mat, and for £5, this is your sign to not walk but run to B&M. £5 to get something like this, perfect for the Halloween season. You're going to be looking great in your bathroom with a nice little pumpkin bath mat, that's all I can say. Now we're on to drinkware, and of course Starbucks have also brought out their, autumnal offerings in the form of this green pumpkin mug. They do have other colors. They have it in like an orangey color with the same handle, but I think the year before had some really great ones. This was the cup that really took my fancy. I think the rest of EU has better mugs. There's a ghost mug we don't get, and some other little ones as well. But I really liked this green one. I really think this would be a great planter, so you could put like little plants in this, maybe a little ivy creeping out. I think that would be really cute. Or you can just drink coffee out of it. Now moving into TK Maxx territory, and I'm keeping the trend going with mugware. I bought this giant mug. This mug is so big. Like I can literally put my fist in it and then some. But this is such a big, beautiful mug if you want to soup in it, or you're having a heavy day and you need that big boost of coffee. This has got you going, and it's all beautifully adorned on the inside with jack-o'-lanterns, and I just love the design of it, and it's such a good one. For about £4, like $5-6, you get a really giant mug there. Moving then on to Catherine and Lansfield, and I picked up this pumpkin jack-o'-lantern kind of duvet set. So it's a reversible 2-in-1 look. So you either get the blue side or you get the white side on here, and you get the matching pillows to go with it. Always like to get a little bit of new bedding to go with it. Now I managed to pick up some nice little gravestone pieces. I actually got 2 of these by accident. They accidentally gave me an extra one, but I'm not going to complain. And it just says RIP on there, and it's this really nice decorative skeleton and skulls and a little rat here. Cute, right? You can put that on bookends for your bookshelf. A light up jack-o'-lantern in there, and it's this cute little skeleton with a pumpkin on his head, and he looks so happy. He or she, whatever they may be, but they're definitely a skeleton, and they have this really nice little decor. So great for windows, great for mantelpieces, anywhere you want to add a little pumpkin guy on there, and with this little, you know, it's just so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. I also just got this really demure looking guy here. Just got, you know, waiting for his boo to come, like pondering the afterlife, essentially. But this one glows so many different colors. It's a party and a jack-o'-lantern, this one is. While he is pondering his life away like I am right now, just looking at you guys in the screen, he is doing the same, but with this amazing party jack-o'-lantern. I love this. This is great for a window display or mantelpiece, or wherever you may want to just, you know, get the pumpkin vibes of flowing. One of my ultimate favorites is probably this, and it is the wooden coffin, but it's a 3-wick candle on the inside. So it is a very strong candle, I have to say. I would possibly just reuse this as a candle somehow, but I just love how sturdy the wood is on this. This was a 20-pounder, $25 worth, but I think this detailing on this is so beautiful, and it's heavy. You could get a mini version of this or this big one, but there's only this one and a black wooden one left. But this one I just adore, and it just looks so good when it's burning. It looks amazing. So I think it really does add to maybe like a centerpiece display. And once you're done with it, you could just get all the wax out and then just reuse this as just like a little trinket box or somewhere to store some things. It's very long and it's very ergonomic design. Now last but not least is probably the biggest new display piece that I got. I didn't realize how big this was, and I'm pretty sure this is for outdoors and not really for indoors. It is this guy here. He has a solar panel on his head, and he has these beautiful light eyes that basically says "Enter if you dare" on this big pedestal here that looks like this. And I definitely think this is for outside, but he is staying inside and he's guarding beside my computer, making sure everyone knows that, like, if you come in here, it's at your own risk. But I love this. This is such a beautiful piece. It's heavy, but not too heavy. And I think if you needed something for your garden, get 2 of these. These look amazing. And they just turn on by themselves. So yeah, really love this. This is such a great addition. I didn't go too crazy, you know, getting extra new stuff. You guys were like, Mike, this is really crazy. You got so much extras. Where do you put them all? I think this is just a nice little amount just to like spice up the decor and everything. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little haul from all of these places. And if you know, are still debating on what you're going to go to TK Maxx, go to all these places and see what they have to offer. Make your own little fun setup at home. But I hope you're enjoying Spooktober, and I will see you guys real soon, and I'll see you in the next episode of Spooktober. Bye-bye.